Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about NAVAREA VIII, the navigational warning system for the Indian coast and its territorial waters. This is very important for seafarers, cadets and deck officers involved in safe navigation and passage planning. Today, I will show you a simple method to find NAVAREA warnings, temporary and preliminary notices, and NAVTEX warnings using the official Indian Hydrographic Office website and the India Winds portal. Let's begin. First, open Google and search for Indian Hydrographic Office. Click on the official government website and make sure you open the genuine portal. Once the website opens, go to the menu or the three-dot option. Select Products and then click on India Winds. You may also find a direct banner shortcut on the homepage. Both methods will take you to the same India Winds portal. After entering the India Winds page, click on Know More. A new window will open showing an interactive map with the full NAVAREA VIII boundary along with India, Sri Lanka and nearby regions. This visual feature is extremely useful for seafarers sailing in this area. On the map, you will notice different colored dots. Each color represents a different type of warning. Orange dots indicate NAI area warnings. White dots indicate temporary and preliminary notices. Green dots indicate NAVTEX warnings. You can always refer to the legend at the bottom of the screen for clarity. When you click on any dot, a panel opens on the left side displaying detailed information such as chart numbers, ENC cell references, and affected areas. This makes plotting on ecdise much faster and more accurate. If the map loads slowly, switch from satellite view to map or terrain view. This reduces data usage and improves speed, especially on mobile phones. One major advantage of the India Winds portal is route awareness. If you are sailing from the Gulf, Red Sea, Africa, or heading towards Singapore and the Far East, you can quickly identify which warnings are active along your planned route. You can also filter the display to show only NAVAREA warnings, only NAVTEX warnings, or all warnings together. This flexibility saves time and reduces confusion. Another useful feature is the download option. You can download individual warnings or a compiled PDF file containing all warnings currently in force. These files are small in size and very helpful for passage planning and onboard records. The same process applies for NAVTEX warnings as well. Everything is centralized in one place, making it much easier compared to manually collecting SAT-C or NAVTEX broadcasts separately. This portal works smoothly on both computers and mobile devices, and you can even switch to full screen mode for better visibility while reviewing chart cells and boundaries. Overall, the India Winds platform is a powerful navigation aid for seafarers. It improves efficiency, reduces manual workload, and enhances situational awareness during voyage planning. I hope this guide helps you in your navigation tasks and makes warning management easier and more organized. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Safe sailing!